right, everyone. Let me know if you can hear me and see me starting off 2 minutes earlier in order to do a sound test. Let me know if you can hear me and you can see me. Welcome to this live streaming where we are going to trade with the 2 minute strategy. It's going to be very, very exciting. So, yeah. This video has a small delay though. Since it has a delay for like 30-40 seconds, then probably you ain't going to be able to follow the trade exactly at the time I enter, but I'm going to let you guys know beforehand when you should enter the trades. So how's everybody doing? It doesn't sound good? It has a delay for like 30. Let me see. Let me go ahead and fix it. All right. Let me know if it sounds better now. Let me know if it sounds better now. Let me see. Let me go ahead and fix it. All right. Let me know if it sounds better now. I think it sounds better. So awesome. I don't know if you've noticed, but now I do have more haters. That's crazy, huh? 8 dislikes right now. So that means that I do have more haters. The BLW community has more haters. So that means also that there are more scammers out there pretty mad because of what we're doing with the BLW community, you know? So that's actually something good, to be honest with you. I'm actually kind of excited, and I know that the more haters we have is because this industry is full of scammers, and these guys are probably a little bit upset because people are actually making real money with the BLW Signals group, with the 2-minute strategy app, and so on and so forth. Right now, today, we're going to make some money using the 2-minute strategy, okay? Or 10 dislikes. You see, these scammers, and this is what they do, just so you guys know, they create different YouTube profiles in order to give more dislikes. So yeah, and nowadays, since we do have some, we have one scammer. Yeah, the Telegram scammer is pretty upset right now because with the new platform, he's not gonna be able to do anything, like literally anything. So he's probably really upset. But I do appreciate all for giving the likes on these videos. Whenever we get dislikes, like 10 dislikes, we usually get like around 100, 200 likes. So it doesn't really matter. But it's always good to say hi to them, you know, because they like, I don't know, 20% haters. 11 haters now. Probably the scammer just, and you know, the dislikes come like in 1 minute difference or 30 seconds, because he's always like logging in the new fake account, giving dislike. Logging in the new fake account, giving dislike. Logging in the new fake account, dislike. So it's actually awesome. But I got something to say for the new haters. I made so far February 25th. So far this month, I've made over $27,000 in passive income, just in passive income. So yeah, keep on hating. Okay, so first, let me know where you're saying hi from. Let me know where you're saying hi from. Because I want to make sure that I want to know exactly where you are going from, where you're coming from, and then we're gonna start trading. Right now, I got my IQ option account right here. I actually prepared a video as to the second or the last confirmation in regards to how to the uptrend and downtrend. I'm actually gonna go ahead and share it tonight at 2 a.m. GMT. So make sure you stay tuned. You activate the notifications. Make sure you are subscribed. Activate the notifications bell icon. There's this new video. Yeah. Philippines, Nicaragua, Somalia, Pakistan, IT, Philippines, South Africa, Philippines, South Africa, South Africa, Pakistan, Dominican Republic, Nigeria, St. Lucia, Thailand, originally from Poland. Oh, nice. Singapore, Palestine, Nigeria, Filipino. Mahesh, how you doing from Sri Lanka, South Africa, Ireland? 2-minute strategy. Today we're gonna trade with 2-minute strategy. It takes less time, and we find more opportunities. Yeah, it's all right. Let's ignore the haters. Yeah, and by the way, yesterday, a few minutes back, I created some motivational videos that are going to help you out. So thank you very much for being here today. Make sure you smash the like button. We're about to make some cool money today. And I want to give you an open invitation to go to blwsignalsgroup.com. It's our official BLW Signals group. And right now, Lester is actually starting to give away signals for 5 minutes. I'm not going to follow them today because today we're going to trade with 2 minutes. So the first thing we're going to do today is that we're going to look at the trends on each specific trade. I'm going to trade with 2 pairs at the same time, I think. I think that's going to be fair. So we're going to start with this one. And okay, this is an uptrend, which is cool. We're going to look for opportunities. So this is the first thing we're going to do. We're going to look for a trend, and then we are going to choose which one we're going to trade with. I'm going to be trading with 5% of my balance. This is an uptrend as well. I'm going to choose 4. So these 2 are uptrends, GBP AUD and GBP NZD. See GBP JPY. This looks like an opportunity, but it's a stable trend, so I'm not going to enter this one. Stay tuned for tonight's video, because we're going to I'm gonna share the exact thing why you should look for downtrend and uptrend on a video. Okay, this is a stable trend. This could be a downtrend. Okay, I'm gonna keep it open. Let me see if I find a better opportunity though. Today there are gonna be 3 bull news in about 55 minutes, so we have like 45 minutes in order to make money. Okay, this is another downtrend, but I don't see any opportunity right here. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to place a trade on every opportunity I see, even if it's the uptrend or down. Let's say, for instance, if this is an uptrend, okay, but there is a put opportunity here. So I'm going to enter the trade, but only using demo. Does that make sense? Let me know if it makes sense. Why? Because I want all of us to keep on trading, right? And I want to make it fun. I want to make it interactive, and I want to clarify many questions that you probably have. All right. So let me know if it makes sense. And right now, I'm going to continue looking for opportunities. Thank you for all the likes, people. I know you enjoy the streamings. Kind of looks like a downtrend. I think it is. Yeah, today looks like a good day for the 2-minute strategy. I'm going to enter in 10 seconds now for a new trade. Let me make my cameras a little smaller. There you go. This one is about to cross, so I'm going to enter for 2 minutes. It didn't cross, really. You see? It didn't cross. All right, let me keep on looking for opportunities. Because this is what I'm looking at, in case you don't know. What I'm looking at is for an uptrend in order to actually get calls, and a downtrend in order to get puts. Okay, this is what we're looking at. But right now, it doesn't seem like we do have uptrends and downtrends, but we don't find opportunities to actually enter at those specific moments. Jack D's real account. I just explained why. and when I'm gonna use demo. So I don't know what your question is. AUDC ID. Okay, this is a cool downtrend. So I'm gonna focus on this one. Right now, if you notice, everything is going, like, for example, right now is actually going on the direction of opposite of the trend. So if the trend is uptrend, then you should look for a call, not for a put. Okay, this is the theory that I've been testing. And just in case you want to see why is it that I'm using it, take a look at this 11 trades in a row winning. Hey, if you're just joining in or watching this on the replay, make sure you smash the like button. Over 100 people watching. I appreciate that you guys are here. Smash the like button. Let's beat the haters. So these are my last trades. I haven't traded ever since I made the video. USD JPY opportunity. Let me take a look at that opportunity. USD JPY. Yeah, but the problem with USD JPY is it's an uptrend. So no. Plus, I think it just went away. Okay, try to talk in English because I don't know what you guys are saying, and I don't know. I don't want to risk to any spam or scam or anything, so I'm gonna have to mute you. So make sure you just talk in English, all right? Right now, if you notice, this one retracted as well as this one. This is why you should go with the trend, because if you notice, this is an uptrend, okay? And if you notice, MACD crossed, same thing here, MACD crossed, but it still was out of the money, right? It retracted, and the reason why is because it's an uptrend. So the possibilities of that trade to be in the money for going up are way higher than if you choose a put. I hope that makes sense. I actually made a video, okay? I'm gonna mute this person because I don't know what he's saying, so it looks suspicious, you know? Why you stop Thursday live streaming? Because I'm too busy on Thursdays, unfortunately. That's the reason why. But I'm gonna try to do it once in a while, okay? Thank you, Shabash Ahmed. How to choose a trend. I made a video. I'm gonna post it tonight. Well, I don't know if it's tonight for you. Tonight for me, which is 2 a.m. GMT, where I teach you exactly how to choose the trend. Is demo market different from real market? No, it's the same. Can we add another indicator to the 2-minute strategy? Yes, we are going to, but not today. Okay, again, people who are not talking in English, it's going to, I'm gonna have to silence you. Don't take it personal. It's not because I want to affect you or anything. It's just because I can think it is like some type of spam. Okay, nothing personal. I just want to protect my audience. Okay, so try to talk in English. I know you can. BLW Signals Group will be a chat room for this strategy. There is a chat room, actually. It's actually right here, 5-minute strategy room. Harry is actually starting right now. Which country are you trading from? I'm trading from Guatemala, Central America. Zimbabwe. How you doing, Tatenda? I want to join the BLW group. Go ahead. Even if it's Facebook, it's free. Hi there, Chris. Is this live or demo account? This is my live account. Lourdes, you were here in the previous session, and I do think you haven't watched my videos. You should go and watch my 2-minute strategy videos. Hey, welcome everybody to this live streaming. If you're just joining in, we're training with the 2-minute strategy. If by any chance you don't know what the 2-minute strategy is, I recommend you to go on YouTube and take a look at 2-minute strategy. Just search 2-minute strategy, and you're gonna find a bunch of my videos in regards to the 2-minute strategy. I'm gonna show you right now. 2-minute strategy. And this is what you will be able to find, okay? You will be able to find first this one, which is a copy of my strategy. It became very viral, by the way. It's a copy of my strategy. Then you will be able to find this one, which is another copy of my strategy, another, and another. Then you will be able to find a bunch of my videos in regards to the 2-minute strategy. You can look them up. And you're going to be able to train yourself with this amazing strategy. So definitely take a look at it. How much is the BLW Signals Group? $29.99 a month. Let me take a look. He's saying Euro USD. You see, this one is a stable trend. So I'm not going to enter this one. Should we enter this one? No, the MACD hasn't crossed. No, I'm not going to enter this one. Let me see the questions here. Trade from Mexico. Yeah, you can trade from Mexico. NZD USD. I'm looking at your suggestions, all right? Don't think I'm ignoring you. NZD USD. But this is the downtrend. Again, we're looking to go with the trend, okay? So that's the reason why. I'm sorry this one is going to take... Look, you can hate me if you want to, okay? You can hate me if you want to, but I'm going to only focus on the trades that I'm sure they're going to be wins. Even if we place 2 or 3 trades today, but the 3 of them are wins, I'm happy with it. Okay, if what you're looking for is looking at 100 trades in one session, this isn't the channel for you. You should go somewhere else. I hope that's clear. Okay. GBP CAD. This one does look good. Oof, but MACD hasn't crossed. No, I'm going to enter. MACD hasn't crossed yet. Send an email to support@blwonlinetrading.com in order to be added to the Facebook group. Webinar number 3 of the Academy. I hope you're enjoying it. Share it with the world. Take my Academy free, people. Smash the like button if you're joining this live streaming, people. I'm 100% sure. Take a look at this. This one. Take a look. Do you see why I didn't enter? Do you see why I didn't enter in GBP CAD? Is everybody looking at the screen? Look at the retract it had. Why? Because first of all, it looks like a downtrend. So I think it's going to continue being a downtrend. Second, because it didn't cross the MACD. You see that? Farah says, hello, bro. Thank you. I already use it, but it doesn't work for me. What do you think? The problem is because I don't have a lot of expertise. I just put call when it say put and also call. Do you mean the app? If it's in regards to the app, first of all, you need to avoid 3-ball news. You need to know what 3-ball news are. You need to know how to read the trends and a bunch of things. So it's complicated just to answer here. Prasad is here, one of the admins of the group. Let's all say hi to Prasad. How you doing, Prasad? GBP, what is it? GBP CHF. Yeah, but this is a stable trend. Again, no. I'm not going to trade or anything that has a stable trend. I'm looking for the perfect opportunity. Brian says, I'm planning to open a YouTube channel in Spanish so people that speak our language have more access to this valuable knowledge. What do you think? Do not mind about low audience. That's going to be awesome, man. Look, I started a YouTube channel in Spanish about 3 years ago, but I couldn't handle both of the channels, you know. But it would be really, really good. I think Harry from one of the admins of the BLW Signals group is also going to have a YouTube channel. So you should definitely start. Both of you will do really, really freaking good at the time that you actually start your own channels, I'm sure. If the MACD doesn't cross, you don't enter. Can we also put in 5 minutes now? No, only 2 minutes right now. Lester is giving away signals and Harry's giving signals in 5 minutes. If you want to take them, you can join blwsignalsgroup.com and he's going to give you a 5-minute signal. The gaming channel, I don't have time, honestly. I'm sorry. We started with the new BLW Signals group at the same time I was starting with the channel, so I couldn't handle both of them. Someday I will when I retire. Do you want me to retire? With the 5 minutes? Yeah, I think maybe next week we can do 5-minute streaming. GBP NZD. If this is not a trend like I'm explaining, then I'm not gonna. Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna continue checking the pairs that you're giving away. I'm sorry. It's just to help everyone. Yep, I'm not gonna continue. I'm just gonna look at the ones that I have right here. This one, GBP NZD, is a downtrend. Okay, now this one is going to be an opportunity. If it drops, it's going to be an opportunity. You see the difference? I'm going to enter it with $10. And this is going to be probably for 1426. Yeah, you can do this the exact same thing, but with 5 minutes. Okay? Look, trading is about patience. Okay? You have to be patient. So make sure you wait. That's why I haven't placed any trade right now in 20 minutes. And people are getting upset like, hey, you should place a trade right now. No, I'm going to be patient. I'm going to wait for my opportunity and I'm going to enter then. I'm not saying I'm going to finish this streaming. Probably this streaming is going to be 1 hour, but I don't care. I'm looking for the right opportunity so that we can make money for sure. Even if we lose them, I'm still going to play with my ads. All right. Yeah. Even if it was in the money, I'm not going to go ahead and follow those trades because I'm looking at the trend. Okay. Look, this is one of the biggest mistakes a lot of people make. Like, hey, it was in the money, so Christian was wrong. So I'm going to do it my own way. And then they are 5 in the money, 5 out of the money. Okay. Try to listen to my instructions. I know what I'm talking about. Can I use IQ option in the US? Unfortunately, no. Hey, smash the like button if you're just joining in. There's almost 200 people watching right now. And we are looking at some good opportunities because this one, and this one are new opportunities that we're going to have to enter the trade. This one, we're looking for a put within the next few minutes. And this one, we're looking for a call. And this one, we're looking for a call within the next few minutes. So hopefully we're able to place these 3 trades and they're going to be in the money. We're going to make some cool money, some cool profit. Let me put the $10 in here because it's going to start happening right now. And the payout is actually really good. Please do 1 hour live session every day if you can. Unfortunately, I can't, but I'm going to try to do it more often. I do it every Tuesday and every Thursday. I have streaming. By the way, in case you guys didn't know, tomorrow I'm going to have a live webinar with the Signals group. That means that if you're in the Signals group, you are going to be able to attend my exclusive webinar at 14 GMT. This is in order to help you make money with the BLW Signals group. So if you're not part of it, you can join. And tomorrow you're going to have exclusive access to my live webinar. This isn't going to be on YouTube or anywhere. It's just going to be for the students of for the BLW members for live access. So just an invitation out there. Prasad says, thanks, Chris. I'm good. I liked you. I didn't enter in GBP CAD after even a crossover. If you apply the SR, there will be there will find downwards form there. So it gives additional confirmation if you enter or not. Yeah, the percentage in profit, it depends on the location for some reason. The last week, people had 99% in profit, and I had like 77% or something like that. How can I join Telegram group? You need to be part of the blwsignalsgroup.com website. And once you are in the paid group, then you can ask support to be added. I want to join the Facebook group. You can go, the link is in the description, by the way, for the Facebook Signals group. It's free. Yes, this is the real Prasad. Malay, the $300 to $10,000 streams. This is part of it. I haven't had the time to actually be consistent with the streamings. That's all. If you come live often, your audience feels more connected. Thank you for the advice. I think 30,000 subscribers almost. It's that we're connected. But yeah, I'm going to take it in consideration. I try to do live streamings. I do like 2 or 3 streamings every single week. So yeah, it's not like I'm going to do it daily, because it's complicated. Are you a full-time day trader? Yes, I am. Yeah, I had 97% in profit last time. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna do some videos in regards to 5 minutes as well. No worries. Okay, so if this one crosses above, it's gonna be a call. I think it's gonna be for the next 4 minutes. I don't think it's gonna be within the next 2 minutes. And this one, I'm waiting for it to start dropping again, and it's gonna be a put. Hey, 200 people watching already. Thank you for being here. I really do appreciate that you are here. So yeah, how do I pay to be part of the Telegram group? Go to blwsignalsgroup.com. Let me see. Aside for trading, what do? I do real estate. I have some startup companies that I have invested in, and I do online marketing as well. So you're saying that the 2-minute strategy app has a very low win rate? When did I say that? Oh, people. Waving from Philippines. How you doing? The BLW Cup all the time. Trend is important, definitely. My chart is lower than your time frame of the candles is different. Probably you have it in seconds or something like that. Even though the blue line crossed over the yellow line on the uptrend market, goes down most of the time. I don't know why. I'm not sure what you mean. But if it's a downtrend, it goes down most of the time. It breaks the strategy. What's your advice for people who lost serious money and trying to come back but afraid and lost confidence? My advice is don't give up. When you give up, you don't give up on what you did. You give up on what you can't get. So when you're thinking about giving up, think about the millions. If it's money, of course, what you're looking for. Think about the millions that you're losing. Not about what you lost. What you lost is lost. It doesn't matter anymore. When you're thinking about quitting, you're thinking about quitting about what you are going to get. That's going to change your mentality. 100% sure. The hater stopped switching accounts. Yeah, probably he only has 11. What about the red line? The red line doesn't exist anymore for this type of trading. This is going to be for 1432. Get ready, people. If you don't feel confident enough, it's better that you trade with demo. Okay, I don't want to be people, oh, I'm losing money because of you. No. If you don't feel confident enough, try it on demo. And when you're ready, then 91 likes. Amazing people. Thank you for being here today. I'm glad that you guys love this channel. I put a lot of effort on it, so I'm glad that you guys liked it. Okay, so I'm going to enter as soon as this candle closes. And let's see. I'm entered with 5% of my balance. I'm going to ignore, not ignore, but I'm not going to look at the chat right now because I'm actually focused on my charts. So, oh, I'm sorry. It's 1 minute left in order for me to enter the candle. Okay. Let me see. Where can we get those mugs? Oh, I actually had it specially made. Nowhere specifically. You can get it specially made where you live. The webinar, no, the webinar is going to be specifically for your, to help you make money with the signals. Okay. Losing when follow other strategy. Luckily, I found you before my fund zero. I'm happy for you. 2 minutes, 2 minutes expiry. Can you show us your trading history? Check my YouTube channel. You're going to find it. What appear your chart? I'm joining. I'm looking at GBP NZD and GBP AUD right now. I'm going to enter right now. So wish me luck, people. This is going to be a fun ride. There you go. And this one I'm going to wait because the blue line is not crossing entirely the yellow line. So I'm just entering this one and we're going to see. Let me see the comments. I'm not quitting. Don't quit. Don't ever quit. You should be red line considered now, or it might be just with the trend. Right now we're trading just with the trend. Okay. Tomorrow webinar is IQ option. No, again, it's just pure education to follow the signals. Big fan. Does this work in the same time frame as in the US? God bless. Yes, it works in the same time frame. It doesn't really have a specific schedule as to when it would work. It's just about you finding not terrible news and being able to avoid volatility or stability in the market, because the 2-minute strategy works in in kind of volatility in the market. You know, you need to look for downtrends or uptrends. This one, I think we're going to lose it, unfortunately. But we still have more trades to go. It took 30 minutes for us to place one trade. It doesn't matter. Patience is the key. Let me see. How does your 2-minute strategy app work? It's an MT5 plugin that you install it and it sends you alert if you want to, even on your phone or in your computer. I prefer that you trade on your computer, and it gives you alerts and a notification telling you when to enter certain trades. It works better with 5 minutes. That I must say. If US is possible to make $10 to $500 challenge in 2 weeks? Probably, yeah, but I don't think I'm going to be able to connect myself every single day, you know. This one, if you notice, the MACD didn't cross. It might have been my mistake. This one in here, I could enter, but the MACD didn't cross. So I'm just going to wait. I'm going to look for a different pair right now. And try to see if we can find another opportunity. This one is a downtrend. These one too, this AUD USD and AUD JPY looks kind of similar. Let me see. Let me look for another opportunity right now. We ain't giving up. This one is a stable market. You see, it's not an uptrend. It's not a downtrend. We don't want that. We want this. We want this right here, a downtrend. Okay, so this is what we're aiming for. This is an uptrend. But we don't have opportunity there right now. No, this one we just traded. I don't think we're gonna trade with GBP anymore. EB Traders. This is a cool uptrend. Okay, this one looks like it's gonna be a good opportunity. Let's see, because MACD looks kind of weird. Okay. We're gonna have a put opportunity in here, I think. Okay, we're gonna wait. In the money for you, I'm happy. I'm happy for you. Probably entered the next candle. Yeah, 2 minute candlestick. Trading is your main job. Well, I don't have a job, but trading is 50% of my business. Even though this year I have been focusing more in the signals. I haven't using the 2 minute strategy, but I still have a lot of losses. Why? Well, why? I don't know why. I mean, you need to explain a lot more. It's in the money for me. Why do you lose? I don't know. It dropped too much, and then probably you enter for the next candle. So yeah, probably I entered too early. No worries. How much trade a day for $50 deposit? No, doesn't matter about the deposit. You should place 4 to 5 trades a day. I'm glad you're making money. I'm glad you were in the money. No, I prefer binary actually. I have to go to work, but definitely will see this video. Thank you for your guidance. Awesome. I'm glad that you were here. Yeah, if you guys use trends, yes, you do ignore the trend line, the red line. Yeah, Skrill's blacklisted. I don't know about web money, but I have heard some good comments, so you probably can use web money. Why don't you do a merchandise? Graphic designing, I can help. Thank you. Well, the truth is that unfortunately, with the merchandise, the problem is about the shipping. It's not just about, sending, not just about creating stuff. It's about the shipping. And depending on what country people are actually asking for, it's kind of complicated. You know what I mean? So that's the reason why. Let me take a look at the most common pairs. Too bad we're not finding good opportunities right now, because I do want to trade live. I think we found some good options here. We're about to hit 3-ball news in 25 minutes, so we're gonna have to stop like around what 45 GMT. We got only like 10 minutes. This one was a good opportunity. We missed it. Let me see Euro USD. Where is it? Let me see this one. Too stable. That sucks. Okay, we're gonna have an opportunity here. I think it's gonna be 42, same as this one, and this one is gonna be a put as well. So we're just gonna wait. MACD is crossing. This is a great sign. Even for 1440, I think is gonna be good, which means the next candle. I'm sorry, I haven't checked the comments, the chat I'm looking at. Yeah, the MAs are the same ones. I removed the red line because now we're focusing on trends, and the red line was confusing. Hey, thank you for being in this streaming. 205 people watching. It's amazing. I'm glad that you guys are learning something. That's basically the biggest point of these streamings, is that you guys actually learn, not just about trading. It's just about learning, so that then later on, when I'm not around, you can make money on your own. I hope that makes sense. So right now we're going to enter in AUD JPY and AUD USD. AUD JPY is going to be this one right here. Now that it had a little jump, I enter for 1440 for 2 minutes. If we lost this one, I'm going to switch to demo, of course. But if not, we're going to wait for this one, and that's going to be it for today, because this one looks good as well. Because there are 3-ball news in about, let me show you investing calendar. Let me switch to my own schedule. If you notice, in 21 minutes, we have 3 bull news, so we're not going to risk it. Oh, look at the jump again. It went in the opposite direction for me again. Did anybody enter for AUDJPY? How much percentage can be earned for the 2-minute strategy app? With the 2-minute strategy app is like around 70 to 85% in the money. So depending on how much you're investing, how many trades you place, I would say 4 to 5 trades at the most. Then you can make easily 10-20% increase in your account. You know, take a look at the trade. Take a look at this thing right here, and people are gonna say, "Hey, Chris does not know how to trade," but take a look. All right, it's nothing I can do when it goes in the opposite direction. Yeah, if you entered right now for 1440, you're probably gonna lose the trade. $14.42, you probably can win the trade. Now it's dropping. I don't think it's going to drop that much, though, in 10 seconds, but... yeah, we lost the second trade. Well, that sucks. If you enter for 1442, but you enter at a higher level, then you're going to be good. Yeah, this one is out of the money as well. I think we're going to enter this one. Should I enter with real money, or do you guys want me to enter with demo account? I'm going to leave it up to you on this one right here and on this one right here. I don't mind, to be honest with you, risking 5% of my balance on the next trade. USDCAD. Let me take a look. Okay, but this is a downtrend, so no. Real money, I don't mind. But whenever you are in the same scenario, don't go with more money if your emotions don't allow you. In my case, my emotions allow me to, you know, I don't mind to invest 5% more. Okay, so we have mixed opinions, but I think real money is going to win. So we're going to enter the last one, which is going to be this one and this one with real money. And that's going to be it for today. Hopefully we can recover. If not, don't take it negatively. I mean, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. If you look at my trading history with this same strategy, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 trades in the money. Today we lost the first 2. It's completely normal. So yeah. Yeah, 2 out of the money, you should stop. AUDJPY for the next candle, yeah, it was in the money. Okay, so in the next 4 minutes, we're going to enter with AUDUSD and NZDUSD. If we lose more money, that doesn't matter. We're going to recover. Okay? Yeah, it's almost 3 bull news. That's the reason why these are the last 2 trades, and then we're going to finish with this streaming. And I hope you enjoyed it. Really, and I hope you learned something. That's the point of these streamings. It's not about making thousands of dollars in one session. You know, those people who create a video where they make $1,000 in 10 minutes, but they never go live. That's a whole different deal. Here is just about learning, okay? Did you guys learn something today? Let me know. Did you guys learn something today? No, I also recommend support and resistance for 15 minutes. It's just that it would take a lot more time to do that streaming, you know? AUDJPY in the money. Awesome. AUDUSD is for a put for 2 minutes, as well as NZD USD. And we're going to enter in about 20 seconds. Well, I have a delay, so I don't know what time is it that you're going to enter. Let me just go ahead and move my camera a little bit so that we can actually see the trades real quick. But MACD is not crossing. I even trust more this one, to be honest with you, but we're going to see. If it jumps too high, then we're going to enter with AUD USD. If not, we're just going to enter NZD USD. Look at the moving average. We're going to have to wait for one more candle. Look at the retract in here. Same thing here. You know what? It might be because of the news. Shoot. We're going to wait for the next candle for 1448. I mean, expiry 1448. Because this small retract in here is not trustworthy. Oh, always. Yes, absolutely. Yes, I've learned. Awesome. I'm really happy that you are learning. That's the most important thing. Again, what my target is that when I'm not around, you get to make money on your own. That's the main target. Okay? It's not like I'm going to be here forever. You know what I'm saying? I want you to make a living out of online trading just the way I did back in the past in 2015 and 16. Depending on no one. So that's the reason why I try to keep you guys educated. Otherwise, I would just be like, yeah, showing you off my money, right? That's not the point. Why is it a put? Because the blue line is going to cross the yellow line going down. I don't think you know the strategy that much. But take a look at 2-minute strategy on YouTube and you're going to find a lot of information. Let's see how this group is going. In the money. People's making money in the 5-minute strategy room. Excuse me. If you guys want to join, go to blwsignalsgroup.com and join for $29.99 a month. Okay. So this is the moment. Should we enter? Yes, we're going to enter. We just want to wait for a small... Oh, shoot. I entered too late. All right. We're going to wait for a small jump. And then we're going to enter with 5%. Okay, I couldn't get the jump in none of them. Okay, that talks about my speed skills to give clicks. Doesn't matter. We're going to wait. Yeah, I try to be real all the time. Do not why you're take a look. Fu 68308. Try to see what is the time frame on your candlesticks and change it to 2 minutes so I can be the same. No martingale. I don't recommend it. Please upload this live stream after you're done because I have not watched the full live. Yeah, actually, after I'm finished with this streaming, it's going to be available on YouTube entirely. So no worries. Well, NZD USD looks like I'm not going to win this one. Hopefully, I'm wrong and I'm win it. But looks like we're just going to win one out of the four. It doesn't matter. I hope you're understanding exactly what I'm trying to look for right now. Again, there are 3-ball news, so the markets are kind of crazy. There are going to be 3-ball news actually in 12 minutes. So I'm going to stop the streaming after this one finishes, and I'll see you if you want to continue with this specific strategy, the training with this strategy. I'll see you next Tuesday at 14 GMT. Okay? 14 GMT next Tuesday, we're going to be trading again with the 2-minute strategy, trying to master it a lot more. And today, I'm going to have a video posted in regards to the uptrends and downtrends in regards to the 2-minute strategy so that you understand how I did this, okay? All of them in the money. And right now, we won 2, so we recovered a little bit. That's actually awesome. We lost $4 in total, so it's actually something good. Right? So yeah, Let me see what the comments are. In the money, in the money, in the money. I'm glad you guys are in the money. If you enjoyed this streaming, make sure you smash the like button. And again, I invite you to go to blwsignalsgroup.com. I'm going to give you the link in the live chat, actually, specifically for the 5-minute strategy room, where we have admins providing with signals every single day from 14 GMT to 19 GMT, no, to 20 GMT, from 14 GMT to 90 GMT to 20 GMT, I think it's the schedule, providing with 5-minute strategy predictions with the same strategy, but with 5 minutes so that you can make more money. So I send you the link in there so that you guys can join. It's $29.99 a month or $39.88 a year. I hope you enjoyed this streaming. I hope you learned something new today, and I hope you didn't lose that much money. I actually lost $4, which is like 2% of my balance. So it's good. We can recover within the next few days. And thank you very much for watching this video. If I didn't answer any of your questions during the streaming, make sure you put it on the comment section. I'm going to go through the comments later on today and answer your questions in there as usual. Thank you very much for watching this video. I leave you with the BLW Signals Group, new platform coming in. So I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.